Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Here we are starting our first painting of the Landraider. We're going to paint it Blood Angels red here, just on top of the white. So let's see how we continue here with this red. I'm going to try and let as much of the white as through as I can, leaving the very bottom a darker red, as you see throughout this film, the video I should say. How I go. I'm not a professional painter, I just do this as a hobby in between work and everything else, so just bear with me with that. Let's see how we go. So hopefully, as you see throughout this video, it turns out to be a little bit darker, so let's hope it actually, once the red actually settles, it's actually looking a wee bit better. Obviously I've stopped to paint it, I've stopped to put the main highlights in it, I've stopped to paint the guns, etc, the engine, and of course I brighten up the lights, which I think I'm going green. So we'll see with that one. We'll just continue through here. Let's the wee side bit here at the top of the screen. As you can see, the 3D print has kind of buckled it. It must have came off the bed. Quite, there you go, it's a wee bit of a close up it. It must have came off the print bed. I don't know why it's done that. I'm just new to 3D printing as well. Guys, what I want you to do is guess how many parts this actually took to build. I am building a second one, and I'm hoping to go a wee bit better in this one. This is just a test. I'm going to have two to go along with my Blood Angels army. I've also got the Blood Angels emblem. It is a little bit bigger. I wanted it at the side of the door, but I'm going to have to amend it to make sure it actually fits. Also guys, I am still new to editing, filming as I go, trying to make sure I've got the best angle for you. I'm still learning as I go, and as you see, I think I actually pulled the engine off. Just by pure accident, I might have glued it on correctly, because throughout this video I do actually manage to pull the engine off. But hey, it can go back again, so no issue there. Very basic airbrush. Nothing professional. I think it only cost just under £20 for it off Amazon. It's actually quite decent for my first airbrush again. Yeah, so take that from there. Don't really need a high professional airbrush to do a job. And there you go guys, just as I explained, I managed to pull the engine off. I might have glued it on correctly, but it can go back on, so that's no problem. Yeah, so let's see how we go. Obviously the tracks are going to get dry brushed, the guns are going to get painted, the wee lights on top of the sponsons, they're going to get done as well, highlighted and brought up to date with the green colour. For the lights, as well, so is the front. Obviously guys, if you do like what you see, obviously like, subscribe, comment, any of that help would really appreciate as well. Thank you. Anyway, we're still continuing this chat, just taking a wee bit of some time here. As you see, still a wee bit of rough bits of the tread. It is 3D printed, as I keep saying. But what I'm looking at just now, the paint is still a little bit dark, But it is what it is. It should brighten up by the time I've done all the highlights, added all the wee bits and bobs, painted the back of the engine here. We'll go from there. So guys, I think I've bored you enough with my voice. I'm just going to let this video just play on, just carry on from now, and to the next video where I'm going to highlight the edges, everything else. Then in the third video it will be the highlight of the weapon, well the lights and etc. And we'll go from there. Thank you very much for joining. Until next time, see you. Obviously guys, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out. Thank you very much. Bye for now.